Experiment number one, first part of first experiment, that is data definition language commands. So our aim is to basically execute DDL commands and get the desired output. So as in the description itself, I have kept that DDL means data definition language. It's a subset of SQL statements. So I'll directly go to the first question, is to create a table. So you need to create a table which consists of customer details with the following specifications. So in the first we need to give as column name, first column, and next data type and width. So and next it's a constraint. We need to give the constraint. So with following data we need to create one table. So to create table, we need to, in SQL we need to give create table and the name of the table, and after that the first column we need to give it as cust ID. So and then on we need to give as number 5. It's only consists of number means only consists of numerical value, so with 5 value, and the next to constraint. So in the query I have given as cust ID number 5 constraint not null, so we have to give p1 as not null. So for p2 also we have taken as not null, and next we need to give a primary key as well. We need to mention it there itself, and at last we need to close it with the proper parenthesis, and this is the output that we got. We successfully created on my name. So second, create a table employee manager with following specifications. So another table we have to create the following details. uh, it's also the same thing. First we need to add create table. So here the name itself is employee manager, so I have added employee manager in my register number, and then on employee emp id num6 constraint a1 primary key. So in the same manner, if we give all these details, you're going to get it output as well. So the third one is to add a new column, contact phone to customer details table. So for changing anything, we need to use the alter table query to change anything. So here we need to add column to customer details. So it's very simple. We need to add alter table name and add customer customer details num5 number 10. modify modify the size of the contact phone. So this thing is used only if we need additional storage in uh, that row or some column. So so we have modified here alter table. We need to add keyword as modify contact phone number 12. Next, add not null constraint to contact phone using alter command. So again we need to add alter table name modify, and next we need to add contact phone number to null, not null. So null or not null is also same, so not null is thing. add a unique constraint on contact phone. So here, as we added contact phone, we need, here the question says that we need to add unique constraint for contact phone details. So we'll add the unique constraint as well. So now alter table name, and modify contact number 12. Constraint we have to add, so constraint r1 unique, and we can see in the output contact phone not null now. On here constraint is added. Add add a check constraint to check whether the cust id between 101 and 105. So alter table name, add constraint s4 cust between 101 to 105. So we can see successfully it's added. Again, got back to the same last. Drop primary key constraint on account number column. So we need to drop the constraint of p3 in primary 3 column. So we need to add as alter table urk20cs 1103 cust details, and we can change it. Lastly, truncate is nothing but we need to remove the table from the da- uh, from the database, but the structure will be there. So truncate, drop means complete, we need to delete. So for using truncate, we need to use the command truncate table name. So the table is successfully truncated. And last, it's to drop, I mean it's to delete the table. So we need to use drop table name. So thank you.